Ready for the beach?
Yes, let's go! Got all the snacks.
And my towel.
Great. All right, I think we're ready for the beach.
David, did you remember sunscreen, snacks, our sanity?
Yes, yes, and yes, we're all set.
I'm not entirely sure we're ready for this, honey.
All right, my little beach bum. Just 5 more minutes. Do you remember to pack Lily's sun hat and Tom's extra set of clothes?
Yes, dear, all packed and ready.
And my floaties! Mommy, can we go now? Please, please, please. I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever.
Okay, sweetie, let's go build that sandcastle.
Sounds like a plan. I'm ready. Me too. Let's go. Mac, relax. We've got this. Mostly. I'm just trying to figure out how to carry all this and avoid dropping the surfboard on Tom's head. Trying to avoid dropping the surfboard on Tom's head.
You can do it, honey.
Yeah, Dad, adventure!
Careful! Are we there yet? My legs are
Tired of sitting! Tom, we just left. It takes a little while to get to the beach. Remember what Daddy said about the long drive?
She's right, buddy. We've still got a good 45 minutes. Don't worry, we'll be there before you know it.
Speaking of which, are you sure you have the right directions? My phone says there's a bit of traffic ahead on the coastal road.
Oh, for goodness sake! This thing is bigger than our living room!
You know, for all the chaos, this is exactly what we needed. Just look at them. Pure joy.
It is. Even the chaotic parts are pretty perfect.
Lily, don't go too far, sweetie.
And wait for us! Success! The shade bearer has landed.
Now where's that cooler? I'm parched.
Lily, wait up!
It's cold, but it's so fun.
Come on, Tata.
Come on, Tom. This is going to be the biggest tunnel in the world.
Wow, Dad, look at our castle!
It's amazing, sweetie. Good job.
All right, time for a swim?
Yeah! Last one to the water is a Ratna! Not fair, I'm faster! You can't catch me, Daddy. I'm too fast.
Oh, really? We'll see about that, little fish. Prepare to be tickle attacked.
Don't drown your father, Lily.
Mommy, my castle keeps falling down.
That was invigorating. Who wants an ice cream? My treat.
Me! Me! Cha!
You know, these are the moments I'll remember forever. Now, ice cream mission commence.
This is perfect.
The best.
All of us just being silly and happy. Time to head home, everyone.
All right, let's pack up.
Yay! Beach day was fun! I'll give
Got the umbrella and cooler.